Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 7th, 8th lesson from the book Honeycomb, Fire, Friend and Foe. Here we go. Question number 1. Mark the correct statement from the following. Options are: fire is energy, fire is heat and light, fire is the result of a chemical reaction, or none of the above. And the right option is fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Question number 2. Early man was frightened of dash. Options are: lightning and volcanoes, the damage caused by them, fire, or none of the above. And the right answer is fire. Question number 3. What is the result of lowering the temperature below the flash point? Options are: it causes fire, it extinguishes the fire, it lowers the density, or none of the above. And the right answer is it extinguishes the fire. Question number 4. What could be the man's first experience of fire? Options are: lightning, rubbing stones, volcanoes, or both B and C. And the right answer is both B and C. That is rubbing stones and volcanoes. Question number 5. What happens when carbon and hydrogen are combined with oxygen? Options are: they can cause fire, they can seize fire, they explode, or none of the above. And the right answer is they can cause fire. Question number 6. The temperature at which every fuel burns is called dash. Options are: the flush point, the flash point, the fire point, or all the above. And the right answer is the flash point. Question number 7. Fire can be dash. Options are: a good servant, a bad master, a good teacher, or both A and B. And the right answer is both A and B. That is, fire can be a good servant and a bad master. Question number 8. What is fire brigade? Options are: it is an old concept, a band of firefighters, a human chain, or a band of musicians. And the right answer is a band of firefighters. Question number 9. What are the examples of fuel? Options are: cooking gas, wood, coal, or all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above. That is, cooking gas, wood, coal. These are the examples of fuel. Question number 10. Fire is our dash. Options are: friend, foe, neither friend nor foe, or both a friend and foe. And the right answer is both a friend and foe. Question number 11. When is fire a bad master? Options are: if it is made by coal, if it is made by electricity, if it is underground, or if it is uncontrolled. And the right answer is if it is uncontrolled. Question number 12. Early man might have experienced fire by dash. Options are: watching lightning and volcanoes, watching fireflies, keeping it under wraps, or none of the above? And the right answer is watching lightning and volcanoes. Question number 13. What is released in the form of heat and light? Options are carbon, hydrogen, light, or energy. And the right answer is energy. Question number 14. What are the things required to make fire? Options are fuel, heat, oxygen, or all of these. And the right option is all of these. That is, fuel, heat, and oxygen are the things required to make fire. Question number 15. What is the flash point of fuel? Options are torchlight, temperature to burn, memory, or lighting match. And the right answer is temperature to burn. Question number 16. How can we put out or extinguish fire? Options are by taking away or not adding more fuel to fire, by preventing oxygen from reaching fire, by removing the heat, or all of the above. And the right option is all of the above. Question number 17. Water should not be used on fire caused by dash. Options are fuel, dry leaves, oil, or electrical appliances. And the right answer is electrical appliances. Question number 18. New laws of building construction are to ensure observance of dash. Options are fire prevention norms, lessen the burden of firefighter, save trees, or providing escape route. And the right answer is fire prevention norms. Question number 19. What are the bands of firefighter known for? Options are trained people to put out fire, skilled people to put out fire, trained people in first aid, or all of these. And the right answer is all of these. Question number 20. What should be given to the people suffering from the effects of smoke before sending them to hospital? Options are injection, first aid, biscuit and milk, or energy drink. And the right answer is first aid. Question number 21. Fire is considered to be dash of mankind. Options are the greatest discovery, threat, dangerous enemy, or friend. And the right answer is the greatest discovery. Question number 22. When does a chemical reaction take place? Options are when carbon dioxide combines with oxygen, when oxygen combines with hydrogen, when carbon dioxide combines with hydrogen, or when oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. And the right answer is when oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. Question number 23. During the chemical reaction, there is a release of dash. Options are 3 gases, energy, fire, or smoke. And the right answer is energy. Question number 24. Who didn't know what fire was? Options are the students, the early man, the modern man, or the scientists. And the right answer is the early man. Question number 25. water is the only solution to extinguish fire? Options are true, false, partially correct, or none of the above. And the right answer is false. The statement, water is the only solution to extinguish fire, is false statement. Question number 26. An oil fire or fires caused by electrical appliances should be put out dash. Options are with water, by the human chain, by carbon dioxide extinguisher, or carbohydrate extinguisher. And the right answer is by carbon dioxide extinguisher. Question number 27. What happens if water is sprayed onto an oil fire? Options are fire is extinguished, oil flows with the water, the oil will float to the top of the water and continue to burn, or all of the above. And the right option is the oil will float to the top of the water and continue to burn. Question number 28. Water should also not be used on fires caused by electrical appliances because dash. Options are fire continues to burn, fire gets extinguished, the person spraying water might receive an electrical shock and be killed, or all of the above. And the right answer is the person spraying water might receive an electric shock and be killed. Question number 29. Why is the space left between buildings? Options are to play games, to transport the things, to provide water supply, or to reduce the fire risk. And the right answer is to reduce the fire risk. Question number 30. How can we put out small fires? Options are with a damp blanket, calling fire brigade, simply blowing on it, or none of the above. And the right answer is with a damp blanket. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.